I hope you're having an amazing day. So today I wanted to talk about a very simple extension for Visual Studio Code, which was very handy while developing stuff in Salesforce. Um, I came across this extension by accident. I did some Google search when I was fiddling around with the package.xml to add some stuff. So I happened to bump into this extension, and to be honest, I'm pretty impressed. So this is a extension written by Vignesh Ram, and a shout out to you, man. It's a pretty amazing one. So you go to so I'm pretty sure everyone knows, right, how to install the extension. So you go to Visual Studio Code and extension, look for Salesforce Package.xml generator, and once you install it, so you go to your org, the source code of your org. So this is mine, right? So what you do is that you do Control Shift P, and you run this SFDX package generator. And once you do that, you'll get something like this. Okay. So the reason why it's handy, right? So if you're doing a package-based deployment, right, this is going to be very handy for you. Instead of you manually trying to figure out what components to add to the package XML, it will do the stuff for you. For instance, let's take an example of an Apex class, right? So I just wanted to add a few Apex class. It's gonna do processing metadata. So it's gonna take roughly around 40 to 50 seconds. So I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. So for instance, I wanted to clear all. Oh, sorry. Okay, never mind. Let's try again. I cleared all, so I cleared all the choices. Yeah, you know. So all right. So let's say I wanted to say I wanted to do to clear all of this one. So instead of clearing this, I did this one. Silly me. So I cleared all, and I wanted to choose like Conga. Conga 2, Conga 3, Conga 4, right? Whatnot, Conga 5, Conga 6, right? So for instance, I'm only interested in this, okay? So and then I will go back to say Apex trigger. Yeah, it takes its own time, but trust me, it's pretty amazing extension. So I'll do this content document link trigger Conga 4, right, whatever. And then you have an option to update package.xml. But if you're not comfortable with that, you can copy it to clipboard, and you can take a look at it to see what it's like. You see, I copied class and trigger, right? So it does the job for me, right? It's pretty straightforward. I don't have to manually go and add each and every entities to the package.xml, or you can do update.xml. So this is all I wanted to talk about today, right? Just one more thing, right? I don't know if you're aware, I launched a integration designer architecture course. So if you're interested, just go and buy it. I mean, rest of the stuff I've covered, platform dev, app builder, is all free. So check it out if you're interested, right? And I have plans to add a 2 more system architect certification by the end of this year. The next year, we're going to targeting for application architect. Once that's done, we're going to look at other architecture series. I do have plans to complete Platform Developer 2, and you must be wondering, right, why this guy is not making more videos. Unfortunately, I've been super busy lately, so that being said, from next week, I'll be more active. I'll finish off the Platform Developer 2 in 3 weeks' time. So if you're preparing for that, it will be handy for you. And then I'm going to make, a lot of other free certification courses like Service Cloud, Sales Cloud 1, right? CPQ, right? I wanted to make anything to do with the non-architect. I just wanted to make it free and give to you guys, right? So I wanted to help you guys. Especially, I mean, I started this journey especially keeping New Zealand into consideration because Salesforce is growing at an enormous rate in New Zealand, especially in terms of a job market. So yeah, so that's one of the reasons why I thought, okay, let me help people, get on board and get them excited on Salesforce Space. Okay, so that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about it today. I hope you enjoyed today's presentation. Have a great day. Adios.